Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to edit text on an image. In order to edit and text on an image in Photoshop, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. After which you want to go ahead and open up your application, then open your file. To begin opening your desired image in a Photoshop, you could do this by navigating to the file and then click the open button or use the keyboard shortcut as Ctrl+O. On the next step, you want us to go ahead now with your image open, click the hold on a text tool icon and which is represented by a capital T. Layout menu appears, allowing you to choose a specific text tool you want. Now go ahead and click on horizontal text tool, and this is the most common tool for adding standard horizontal text. After which you want to go ahead and click on the area of your image where you want your text to appear. A rectangular text box will be created. Now click on the image where you want the text to appear. A text box will appear and then type your desired text. Then you need to go ahead and type in and hit enter. Now type your desired text and edit within the text box. After that, you could go ahead and delete the replaceable character. You could use the backspace or delete key to remove the character or typed over existing text or replace it. And once you're done typing with the box, click outside of it in order to confirm your edit. Now go with the advanced editing with a character panel. So open up your character panel and then you could go ahead and the character panel lets you adjust properties for selecting characters, including font style, baseline, shift, character spacing, and language as well. Now the option bar in a Photoshop acts as your quick control center for a basic text formation. So this way you'll be able to do it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.